In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a first order on Just Eat. This is a straightforward process that will help you enjoy delicious meals from your favorite local restaurants. Let's dive right in. First, open the Just Eat app or visit the Just Eat website. If you're using the app, look for the colorful Just Eat icon on your home screen. Tapping it will launch the app. If you prefer the website, open your browser and type in Just Eat's URL. This initial step is crucial because it gets you into the platform where all the ordering magic happens. You will be greeted with a user-friendly layout, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Once you are in, sign into your existing account or create a new account. If you're a new user, look for the sign up option. Enter your details like your name, email address, and a password. This step is important because having an account allows you to save your preferences and order history. It streamlines the process for future orders. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details to access your account. Now that you're logged in, enter your delivery address or postcode so Just Eat can show restaurants that deliver to your location. This is a critical step as it ensures you see options that are available to you. Simply type in your address in the given field. Once you do this, Just Eat will populate a list of nearby restaurants. You'll notice how quickly it updates with choices tailored to your area, making it easier for you to find what you're craving. Next, browse the available restaurants and tap the one you'd like to order from. This is where the fun begins. You can scroll through various cuisines and menus. Take your time to explore the different options. Each restaurant will display its ratings, reviews, and menu items. You want to find the perfect meal, and this step allows you to do just that. Once you find a restaurant that catches your eye, tap on it to view its menu in detail. After selecting a restaurant, add your food and drinks to your basket. You can customize items or add special requests if the restaurant supports them. This could be anything from extra toppings on a pizza to specifying a drink preference. This step is vital because it allows you to tailor your order to your liking. As you add items, keep an eye on your basket total and make sure everything looks just right before moving on. Now review your basket, then tap Checkout. At this point, you'll see a summary of what you've chosen. Take a moment to double-check your selections and confirm that everything is correct. This is important because it prevents any unwanted surprises when your order arrives. If everything looks good, you're ready to proceed to the payment stage. If you have a voucher or discount code, tap Add Voucher or I have a discount voucher. Enter the code and apply it before paying. This can save you some money, which is always a plus. Just be sure the code is valid and that you apply it before finalizing your payment. A successful application will reflect in your total amount due, so you will be able to see the discount applied right away. Next, choose your preferred payment method. You can pay using a debit or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, or cash where available. Make sure to select an option that is convenient for you. This step is crucial because it finalizes your order. After this, you will be just one step away from enjoying your meal. Finally, review your order details and tap Place Order. Once you hit this button, your order is officially in the system. You will see a confirmation of your order details and the estimated time for delivery. Wait for the restaurant to accept your order. You'll receive a confirmation email and can track your order in the Orders section of the app or website until it's delivered or ready for collection. This ensures you stay informed about your meal's journey. Enjoy your first Just Eat experience.